In this video, let's look at how we install the Pheeders plugin. And the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to log into your Warrior Plus account and come to your API access page. And I have this blurred, but you'll want to come down here and copy the secret key here. The next thing you want to do is let's open up the file. This is probably what it looks like on your computer. Let's go to this file, and you want to come into Includes, Plugins, and Pheeders PHP. It's the only file here, and open this in a text editor. And I have it open already. And let's come down here. And what you want to do is find your API key. So just type in a few X's and click Find, and that'll take you down to this line here. And you can see here where it says Warrior Plus and then the API key. Just remove the X's, make sure you don't remove anything else, and paste in your API key and save this and save and close this file. Next, just come over to your FTP program, and I have the directory open here. What you'll want to do is, and this is where you can't really do any harm here, but you can also, it's pretty easy to make a mistake. And we'll log in to our main website. This is our root of the website. We want to make sure we want to get to the root of our forum. And in this case, I've used ZZ Forum and as my directory for this demo. And let me come here, and you'll see this include INC. This is for includes, and we can also see an include folder here. Just upload this folder. And that's it. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.